How to check the Coinbase app limit. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily check for limits on the Coinbase app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So let's begin. You'll first have to download the application from Google Play Store, and you can also find this on App Store if you're using an iOS device, or you can just continue with the process on the browser on the Coinbase website. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and check your verification status. If your account is verified, then your withdrawal limits or your account limits will be increased. But just to check your default account limit, you don't have to verify your account. You can just go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left. Now just tap on your profile and settings. And from here under account, you'll see the limits option. So just tap on it. As you can see, the card purchase limit is 3,000 euros per week. PayPal purchase is 1,000 euros per day. PayPal withdrawals is 20,000 euros per day, and all of these options right here. So these are the current limits of my account, and I cannot exceed them unless I verify my account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. That's how you easily find the limits for your Coinbase account. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you next time.